Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit cinematic video using Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application, and for today's tutorial, we're going to edit cinematic video for Instagram Reels. Okay, and then I'm going to open up the project I have just created, and for Instagram Reels, make sure that you choose the best aspect ratio. We can go to the aspect ratio, and then we can choose this ratio, 9:16 ratio. Okay, and to make it more cinematic guys, I'm going to apply color grading. I'm going to go to the adjustment. Okay, and then we're going to adjust the brightness. For the brightness, I'm going to reduce it a little bit, around 6. Okay, and then for the contrast, I'm going to increase it around 10, and then for the saturation, I'm going to make it 7, and then for the brilliance, I'm going to make it 10. Okay, and for the sharpen, make it plus 25, and for the clarity, I'm going to make it 20. All right, and then I'm going to move to the highlight. I'm going to increase the highlight just a little bit, make it 10, and for the shadow, I'm going to make it 6, and for the whites, I'm going to make it plus 5, and then for the blacks, I'm going to reduce it, make it -5, and then for the temperature, increase it a little bit, around 5, and then for the hue, I'm going to make it 10. Okay, and let's see how it looks. All right, but actually guys, for the color grading, it depends on the video that you have. Okay, and for me, I'm just going to use this color grade, and then you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the color grading. You can play around with the brightness, the contrast, and so on to create cinematic video or cinematic color grading. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the speed. We can click on the video, and then I'm going to go to the speed, and I'm going to choose curve. Okay, and I'm going to choose custom, click on edit, and you can follow my custom speed guys. Okay, you can follow this curve for your video. Okay, and then I'm going to make it like this. Okay, and wait, for the duration, I'm just going to cut the video to make the process faster. I'm going to make it around 10 seconds. Wait guys, let me adjust it. Okay, and I'm going to go back to the speed curve, and I'm going to apply smooth slow motion, faster process. Click on the check mark, and let's wait. Okay, now it's done. The smooth slow motion has been applied, and I'm going to show you the result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.